This is the Eaton X1500 Rt2U uninterruptible power supply, built for reliability, built for performance. As you can see, the unit is in solid condition. The exterior is well maintained, with no major physical damage, ensuring durability for long-term use. Now, focusing on its operation, the system powers on smoothly, with stable output and no fluctuations. All indicators and display functions are working precisely, confirming that the internal components are fully functional. This UPS operates on 220 to 240 volts AC, handling 6.8 to 6.3 amps at 50-60 Hz, delivering consistent and dependable power backup when it matters most. The cooling system is efficient, the response time is quick, and the unit seamlessly switches to backup mode without interruption. That means your critical equipment stays protected at all times.